Hi, welcome to Stories and Stuff. I'm just going to run through the sounds that children learn when they start school and explain why we don't start at A and go right through to Z in that order. The first 6 letters children usually learn are satpin, s, a, t, p, I, n. And the reason is, if you learn all those 6 sounds, you can make loads and loads of different words. So right from the start of learning some letter sounds, children can already start to build words, read and have a go at writing them too, or make them with magnetic letters. When making the sounds, it's important not to put the sound on the end. It's called a schwa, actually. For example, b makes a b sound, not b. Children hold that letter too long and make that sound at the end. It becomes very difficult for them to blend those words and put them together. For example, k, a, t, cat would become k, a, t, cat. Doesn't make cat, does it? So it's really important that children just learn those short, quick sounds. So I'll run through those now so you know how to say them. A, b, k, d, e, f, g, h, I, j, k, l, m, n, o, p. The Q is a bit strange because on its own it makes a k sound. It's only with the U it makes a qu sound, and children will learn that later on. R, s, t, a, v, w, x, y, z. Let me show you some of the words they can make. Sit, s, I, t, sit. Pan, p, a, n, pan. Tap, t, a, p, tap. Once you've learnt satpin, there's lots of different games you could play. So you could show some different pictures and make the sounds. For example, can you find me the p, a, n? See if they can put that together to make pan and point to the right picture. And then you could ask them to sound out a word for you and you have to find the picture, put it together, see if you got it right.